In my previous tutorial, we looked at different methods you can use to sign up on Taobao, which includes how you can use Alipay to sign up, how you can also use your phone number to sign up directly, right? So recently, Taobao have upgraded their services and they've included new services that makes it easy for you foreigners to now sign up on their platform, which includes the sign up method, which includes your Facebook account. You can now use your Facebook account to sign up on Taobao. You can use your Gmail account to sign up, which is your Google account. You can now use it to sign up on Taobao. You can now use your Apple ID to sign up on Taobao. A lot of methods are now included on their sign up option, which is the reason why I'm rolling out this video for you to do for you to know how you can now easily sign up on Taobao using the new method without any hassle. Within 5 minutes, you are done with the registration. Get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua, and of course, this is the voice of Zionhublogistics Limited. Here we're like family. We discuss everything that have to do with arbitrage, e-commerce, how you can make money online, and most especially on mini importation business. Okay, so you can reach out to me if you want any of our services, which includes procurement, trainings, how you can start making money online, or funding if you want to fund your Alipay. So without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. Over the years, I've recorded tons of videos regarding Taobao registration and how you can place an order, everything you want to know basically about Taobao, be it their mode of registration, be it their anything at all, right, that have to do with Taobao, including how to add your shipping companies, how to place an order, everything basically you want to know. So I'm going to be adding those videos under the description button, so you can also go and learn and the updated method, right? So in, let me say, 2 years back or 3 years ago, we all know that the popular method and the means of registration when it comes to Taobao account is by using Alipay. You can connect Alipay to your Taobao directly and use it for your registration. That was 3 years, 4 years, 5 years back ago, right? Basically, this is my Taobao app and I've logged out. So if I'm to go to my Google Translator now to translate this page to see what I have here, you will see that this is their sign in page, right? Now what we are going to do now is to do what? To sign up. They now have a new and easy method that you can now use to sign up as an international user or maybe local user. Okay, the new updated method. So we are going to click on this option that says register now. That's where to start from. So let me click on this guy here, which is where I'm circling. You are going to click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to this page, right? Let me screenshot this page, then go back to my Google Translator to translate this guy. So now, if you want to use your phone number to register, you can easily use your phone number here. So once you click on that option, this will pop up directly. Now, this is a new update on Taobao. Before now, we don't used to have different options to sign up. Okay, so now we now have, I think they've added like 4 multiple options to now sign up to make it easy for you guys to create an account, most especially for the international people or for the international client, right? So now let me screenshot this, go to my Google Translator, then to upload this guy here. So now we have the first one as Google. You can use your Google to do what? To register an account directly. I mean your Gmail. When they say Google is Gmail. Then the second one here says Apple. For those using iPhone, you can easily connect your Apple directly to sign up an account with this guy. The third one, which is the most easiest one, is Facebook login. You can now use your Facebook. You are just going to connect it with one tap. Just click on connect and it's going to redirect you to your Facebook account. Then Once you click on tap, it's going to just allow and grant all the permission, then automatically signs you in directly. Then the one here is another one here is Gmail. So that is the new one. We have this login with phone number and Alipay before, so they added like 4 multiple new options that you can use to sign in, which we are going to be testing all of them in this tutorial. Okay, so let's go back to the app. We are going to be starting with what? Our Gmail account. Okay, so I'm going to tap on my Gmail, and it's going to bring out this option here to confirm if you want to agree to connect this account with your with your Gmail account. So you are just going to tap on agree and login. So I'm just going to tap agree and login here. Then it's going to bring out this. Then you want to click on continue. After tapping on continue, it takes you here. These are the multiple email address I have, the one I manage and the one I am personally using. So I'm just going to tap on this one here, tap on anyone basically out of my email address. Then it's going to bring you to this page. Then you want to click on continue. Once you tap continue, you are giving them access directly. So it's a one tap. Can you see now? We've already created an account automatically without any hazard, without any issues at all. So if you now want to set your username and password, you can. I think I have a video. I've recorded a video on it as well. So you are going to just click on the drop down, or you ask for the video under the comment section. Then I'm going to share the link with you. Remember, we are testing out this option. So you can now click on any product you want to buy, click on it, look for the product, then you buy directly. It's as very simple as that. Do you understand? This is, I think this is 17 Pro. So if I want to buy, or I want to share this customer care, I can easily do what? Click on this guy to share the customer service, right? Then if I want to place an order, I can place an order. Add your warehouse address. If you don't know how to add the warehouse address, I also have a video for it. I'm going to be leaving it under the comment section or under the description button. That is the option 1 to sign up, which is we automatically use our Gmail directly to sign up. So now let's go and test run the other options as well. So I'm just going to sign out this account. Let me try to sign out. Then you can see now this is our account here. So I'm going to delete this account because this is just for tutorial purpose here. So once I delete it, it's going to bring me to this page. Now this second option with Apple, it have to do with those people using iOS devices, and is not applicable on Android or Samsung. Okay, so if you are using iPhone, it's just a one tap directly. You can just click on you can click on the second option here. It's going to bring out this. Click on this guy here. Once you click on this guy, can you see now? It's going to bring your details, and once you click on continue, sign you in automatically with your email address. It's as very simple as that. That's how you can do that's how you can automatically log in with your Google account. Do you understand? So the third option here says Facebook. You can use your Facebook, you can connect your Facebook directly with your Taobao. So if I'm to click on Taobao here, if I'm to click on Facebook rather, the third option which I have to do with Facebook, if I'm to tap Facebook, it's going to show this. Just agree and grant the permission. Then it's going to tell you that it's going to open your Facebook. You give it access by clicking on continue. Clicking on continue will take you to Facebook dashboard. So this is my account now, and I'm just going to give this guy access to connect my Facebook to my Taobao account, and I'm just going to click on continue. Once I tap continue, it's also going to be requesting for this, and boom, it's going to log me in directly. This is multiple registration. We've used our Gmail account, we've used our Google, and this is the third one, which is Facebook. And it goes against their policy. You can only use one phone for one registration. If you want to do other registration, then you can wait till maybe 3 days, 4 days. Do you understand? So these are the new available options that you can now start using to do to sign up. If you find it difficult to use your phone number, if you find it difficult to use your Alipay, then you can start using these options today. It's as very simple and as very straightforward as that.
that is what I wish to share with you. But before I go, if you want the complete training, which includes how you can sign up, the payment method, how you can also add your warehouse address, how you can pay the suppliers, how you can know fake suppliers, we all have the complete tutorial. We have the complete training, including all Chinese apps, basically, including Fish, on how you can start your gadget importation training. We are available for all these training services. What you want to do is to reach out to us with the number displaying on your screen, or you reach out to us on Instagram at Zionhublogistics Limited. Okay, so let me tap on Google again, then select the account that I used the other time. So I'm just going to tap on this account, then log in the account again. It's as very simple and as straightforward as this. Okay, so I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. If you find value in watching today's tutorial, why don't you just tap the video, subscribe to our channel, like it, and also comment. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can place a complete order on Taobao. So go and watch it. It's going to be showing somewhere around the corner right now. So thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial. Bye and peace out.